Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Usman speaking. Humans have seen massive development in the field of technology in the past 100 years. The major development in the field of technology is the artificial intelligence. First of all, thank you for providing me this topic. The name of my topic is a product which is based on artificial intelligence. Actually, গত 4 মাস আগে আমি ইংলিশ ফ্যান্টাসিতে একজন স্টুডেন্ট হিসেবে অ্যাডমিশন নেই। তো তখন আমি একদমই ইংলিশ বলতেই পারতাম না। So after completed my journey with English fantasy, right now I can speak properly. The AI is developing day by day and it's becoming more faster, smarter and human-like. Nowadays, there are many products in the market which is based on artificial intelligence. At present, I'm using an iPhone, so I would like to describe about Siri, which is Apple personal assistant that is inbuilt in the phone and other products of Apple. Actually, Siri helps me to discover a lot of information and she provides it. And her main job is to answer me anything I ask. So this has surely made life easier. But some people don't consider it to be helpful things. Artificial intelligence is interfering the life of people. It can be a threat for future. So that's all for the topic. It was an incredible journey with them, and thank you English Fantasy for providing me this opportunity.